Meet iProven's new basal body thermometer, designed to take the hassle out of daily temperature tracking. The following features make your routine more intuitive. A magnetic charging case, so you can skip the hassle of replacing batteries, and the risk of inaccurate readings when the power runs low. Illuminated digits, so you don't need to turn on a light. The digits are bright enough to read and soft enough to keep you in that calm, sleepy moment. A soft buzz. No beep that might wake your partner. The gentle vibration lets you know when your reading is done. 70-second readings. 2 decimal precision. Battery percentage at shutoff. Here's how to use iProven's BBT. Measure your temperature right after waking up. Place the thermometer under your tongue near the center and close your mouth. Wait for 70 seconds till the buzz, and save your temp in a fertility app or write it down on your chart. Easily recall your last reading by turning the BBT back on. Switch the thermometer off and clean it. Don't take back-to-back readings. The tip gently warms up during use, making consecutive readings less accurate. To ensure accurate measurements, don't move before taking your temperature. Check your temp at the same time each day, within a 2-hour window, and only use measurements taken after at least 4 hours of unbroken sleep. Factors like stress, illness, and alcohol can affect your monthly cycle. Note these down to understand any unusual patterns later. What is your fertile window? Your temperature stays lower before ovulation and rises slightly afterward. This pattern reveals your fertile window, the 5 days before ovulation and ovulation day itself. Daily tracking will help you to understand this pattern for your own body in a few months. iProven's basal body thermometer is there for you, bringing clarity to your cycle, confidence in your numbers, and calm to your mornings.